Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, this is a 3-year wait has finally arrived. So this one's from Prime One Studios and it's the diorama of Last of Us. So 2 boxes here, we're gonna be unboxing them. So 3-year wait guys, finally it's here. You guys got no idea how excited we are to unbox this. So this one says bonus part
The hatchet.
the hatchet is the bonus part.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get a catalog of last year. At least it's not 3 years back.
Instructions as to how to put it together.
So guys, you can see over here says unboxing request. Please record your unboxing just in case you can see if there's anything in the damage. So there's no cuts.
Hey, look at that. So many steps.
Oh my gosh. Now it's gonna take time for us to put it
Yeah,
together.
it'll take us 3 years to put it together.
So there they are.
Oh, we've got body parts in here.
Yep, so this one's got Joe and Ellie.
Okay. What else is going on here?
Wow, so many pieces in here. Oh, so that's the base.
This goes all the way through, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, see?
Wow, look at the base, guys. Holy moly, moly, moly. This is humongous. Is this the biggest base do we have in our collection?
Damn.
Wow, man, this looks good. Look at all these details, like all the algae, the vines. These things are called the creatures, right? The creator thingy growing. Oh look,
The clickers, you mean?
the clicker, yeah,
Yeah, so that's
creature.
half a clicker. And then you get a
Aren't they
full
called
size.
creatures?
Sure. And they're called, and there's also a full size, what do you call it? Critter?
Creatures.
Yeah, critters.
You can see all the slime, whatever is on the creature here. Gosh, this is so big.
All right. Okay, that's it. We're done. We'll do the rest tomorrow now. Tomorrow.
This is such an impressive base. Look the details over here. There's like, what do you call these things? The gutter area?
Sure.
He keeps saying sure. And I like how they made this area so nice and shiny. With all the gunk coming out. The
If you
water.
want to get a thing of the bottom. If you want to get a thing of the bottom.
If you can, but
Oh, boy.
I'm not too fussed.
I'll leave it. Leave it.
I think it should be
It's
written on the
number,
shipper
it's
box.
number 85 of 750 or something.
Okay.
Okay. I think Ellie was next.
Wow. Can't get over how they have made this entire base.
So far so good, eh?
Yep.
It's pretty impressive. Here we go.
You can see Ellie's sneakers, her jeans, her t-shirt. It's got a little bit of, and her backpack. Oh no.
Okay, we got it. We got it, people. We got it.
He pegged in.
I got him pegged in, yes.
Details on his jeans, all creases, and look at those tiny details like being ripped jeans and his shirt. And his backpack.
how does this go in? That. All right.
Wow.
She's in.
Look at this, guys. Look at all these details and the blood and her clothes and whatever been ripped off from inside her and all that. Yo, look at that. She's got like blood everywhere. That's the details from the back. Clothes been ripped off. All these sort of looks like fungus growing out of their body. That's what it is, I think. The fungus growing out.
That goes in there, and that magnetizes there. Cool.
Wow, look at this, guys.
If you look at his watch is broken as well. Look at that, like just the detail. It's so accurate to the game.
It is. And look at all the details on Joe's hand over here, like his arm. He's got like all the hairs. Wow, man. He's holding onto the neck there.
So this has got a peg. Oh, it's peg and magnet. There we go.
Whoa, look at her hand. Oh my goodness, it's all the gunk, gooey. Yo, guys, have a look at this. Nice paint job. Look, it's so glossy.
Yeah.
They went in like really good details of everything, how it's actually in the game. Wow. No wonder it took so long.
You got it? You know where it goes? Other hand, there you go. Just be a magnet fit, there you go.
There she is. Look at that detail.
They did a good job hiding the seam line as well. That's the bat, but I won't be displaying that.
Bat with Joe's hand on that. Other one.
So they made the bat bloody, so that's why they didn't make that bloody. And there's a shiv. So a shiv is quite popular in the game. We use the shiv quite a bit from the start. This one here. This is quite a popular weapon.
Oh wow.
Where was this one?
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Whoa.
I think the crowbar is quite popular weapon as well, weapon of choice. Find them everywhere.
Oh yeah.
We'll just be careful holding by the hand.
Oh yeah. So we have lots of swap outs.
Yeah, heaps of swap outs. Check that out.
That looks so cool. It's got like actual, is it actual glass on that?
Oh, there we go. There we go, people.
Cool, finally.
And then this clips here. There you go. Finally, that's in. Just gotta be patient sometimes, right? You don't want to force these things. Waited how many years now?
Metal part.
Pipe. That was easy. you go, yeah, just like that. Yeah. Is that the right way? Oh,
Okay, that's pretty much all this one done here. Does it pay again or just lose?
oh, there it is. There it is. That
Yo,
goes
look
in.
at that. This'll be good for scratching my back. Where does this one go now?
If you scratch your back, you get infected. It'll start turning into a critter, is it?
Yes.
Not a clicker, critter.
I'm a critter. Clicker.
Goes there. One way or the other.
Which direction? Oh, there you go.
Holy moly.
Oh my gosh. What have they put on it?
That's like,
Oh my gosh, look at the
real-
hair.
yeah. Holy shit.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It just feels so weird to touch. Okay, let's go somewhere. Do we have more lights on here or that's all? Okay guys, have a look at the... Thank you. Look at this. Gray hair. And look at the head. It's got like some sort of... like a web. I don't know.
Oh, look at this one. That's got like that
Oh my
Like a-
gosh.
bullet being shot in the head.
Look at the
That's the
hair.
one I'm going to use.
Oh my gosh, it just feels so weird on my hand. Do you want to take it off my hand?
I'm going to use jelly. Ellie's shotgun. So that one
Oh,
looks pretty good because he's sort of angry. And you'd want him to be angry. He's fighting a clicker.
yep. Look at all the details they've given. Pretty neat details, just like the game.
Pretty good, isn't it? This one here is more of a calm look.
Kind of looks like Jesus here.
And this is sort of in between, right? Oh, yeah. So you got three good options, three good expressions, I'd say. You got Jesus Christ, you've got, who's that?
Twin. But look at the details on his neck and all his lines on his forehead and his wrinkles around his eyes.
So I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with this one. What do you think? This one here.
Yeah, this one looks more rage.
Yeah, the rage face. Angry Jesus.
Okay, neat paint job. He's got no gray hair. And look at the lines over here. It's expressing. His teeth clenched. Grrr.
You know what, guys? I'm actually very impressed that so far we've had no breakage.
I'm glad
Given
too.
the amount of traveling these two boxes have done to get to us
All
in
the
tiny little New
way.
Zealand, all the way down to the bottom of the world.
Cheers. Where you go?
You want to do the honors?
Yeah. What about the seam line? Do you want to do it again? Oh, yeah, that's better. But you can see some of his chest hair. He's looking at the clicker. Let me just say clicker if I'm saying it wrong. All this while saying critter. I don't know why I call these guys critters.
Okay, that was easy enough.
Wow.
I was expecting to struggle more there.
Straight onto the face. Straight onto the face here. The mouth. Whatever. Boom. Oh.
So that's a very calm looking Ellie. Don't
Okay.
think I'll be using calm. I don't like calm.
Ellie's so much different than...
You should compare that Ellie to the adult Ellie. So that's a kid Ellie.
That's a kid Ellie.
So this was the first game, and that one there is the second game. She's a grown-up
Wow,
Ellie there.
she looks like real. Do they do glass eyes or something?
No, it's just really well painted.
You can see the details on her freckles, her eyebrows, and look at her ponytail flying. Wow.
So this is another one with a little bit of expression. I won't be using this one. This one has just no expression.
So here's another one. Yeah, mouth slightly open in this one. She's so basically the same size hair as I have. This one, the eye, you can see one eye going that way and one eye more pointed that way.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I don't know.
So this is a bit of a scared look. That's more of a frown look. This is a more of a scared look. What do you think?
Oh, she looks scared in that one, yeah.
That hair strand?
Oh, yeah.
That is super close to the gun. Not sure if it's meant to be like that.
Yeah, I think this expression looks really good.
Yeah. Look, it's on. It's not broken, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to touch anything. Yeah, so if you want to display, say, one of these, you could. And some people like displaying them. It's a good enough stand to display.
Yeah. So we went with this facial expression of hers, pointing the gun right at the clicker.
Hey, you got it right.
Krita. And then we have
just call it
Joel
Krita.
here with the bonus version. We've got the hatchet. You can see the details on the hatchet. It's got like blood on it.
That is a massive base though.
And he's got a rage face. Just look at the details on his arms over here. Well done, Prime One.
Oh yeah, absolute masterpiece, 100%.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It is
Everything is
flawless.
amazing. Everyone's expression is good.
Yeah, knock this one out of the park. 100%.
And look at the clicker's hair details. All these details, the paint job. So much work must have gone through making this statue. The base is amazing. You can see the back of the base. And this is the back view of how everyone is. Pretty much just like the game. So if you've been waiting for this one, I'm pretty sure you're very impressive with every details of the statue.
It's worth the wait.
Exactly worth the wait, guys. So here's the first statue of Ellie and Joel, guys, and here's the second one. And you can see Ellie's all grown up in this one. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed our video. See you in the next one.